Hey guys, welcome to my channel NZ Fashion Corner. Today I am making my all-time favorite Khubani ka Meetha or apricot sweet with vanilla ice cream. I love this combination as it is so rich and tasty. So let's start by making ice cream first. Here I am taking a bowl with cold ice water at the bottom. Then I am adding 500 grams of fresh cream and blending it in an electric blender. Blending until it becomes thick like this. Now adding 400 grams of condensed milk and half teaspoon vanilla essence and blending. Blending until gets peaks like this. Now pouring it into a bowl. I preferably make ice cream at night time so that I can set it whole night for up to 8 to 10 hours and can get my fresh ice cream in the morning. Now sealing with cling wrap and setting it in a freezer for 8 to 10 hours. At the same time, I am taking 200 grams of dry apricots and washing them thoroughly. Now adding 2 glasses of water and soaking them overnight. After soaking whole night, I am de-seeding them like this. Now breaking the seeds to get almonds. Here I am soaking these almonds in hot water to peel them easily. Now heat a vessel, add soaked apricots along with water and let it cook until they become soft. Now adding another half glass of water and cooking it. After they become soft, I am adding 200 grams of sugar and some food color. Food color is optional. You can skip it if you don't want to add. Here I am mashing some apricots to get the thick consistency. Now add those peeled almonds on the top and switch off the flame. That's it, our sweet is ready now. Now I am serving it in a bowl. Let's check the ice cream after 10 hours. Enjoy the scoops of ice cream along with the sweet. A perfect combination for summer and for Ramzan. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.